Hello mga bay, welcome back to Gadgets Bay. My name is Alex and today's episode is all about flying. It's all about the new DJI Mini 2. And today I'll share with you some tips in case it's your first time to fly a drone. And hopefully you won't get to experience what I almost did, which is losing the drone. So fasten your seatbelts, let's fly! Tara! Ayan mga bay, so we now know the functions and special features of this DJI Mini 2 and we also mastered the use of this remote. So I guess it's about time to be brave. Let's go on an adventure. Let's take some beautiful pictures and videos, and the best way to do that is go to the beach. So let's go!
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map. home.
Okay, so you've seen napakadaling gamitin nitong drone. Indeed, it can take beautiful pictures as well as videos. So if you're a first timer like me, walang dapat ikatakot because really you can fly this drone with an ease. You just have to follow on-screen instructions and be mindful always. So the next thing to do, I did some post editing of the videos and pictures I took. And hopefully you like it, so let's watch this video. Alright, so there you have it. So hopefully you've learned a lot of new things again. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, Gadgets by. Every like that you give me is very much appreciated. That will really help me in growing my channel so that I can share with you more learnings from my end to yours. Special thanks, by the way, to PRG Photoshop for helping me with the gadgets here. And I guess that's all about it. Until my next vlog. Bye bye.